Now we are going to check our trial balance, balance sheet and income statement, right? So now you know that we have already done this trial balance, balance sheet and income statement on base of manual accounting. So this trial balance, balance sheet, income should be equal with our Tally Prime. So I'm going to be check it out. First I'm going to be check the trial balance. So if I want to be get the trial balance, press the escape button and come to the gateway of Tally, and you can see display more report, and you can see the first report is trial balance. I'm going to be press the trial balance. If I press the trial balance, you can see the trial balance. So the amount is debit 505,000, credit also 505,000, and we can see our manual accounting 505,000, 505,000. So our sum is perfect. There is no issue and there is no difference, right? Okay. If you want to be get the more information, press Alt plus F1. You can see everything. Capital 400,000, Sunday creditors 4,500, and the land, Sunday debtors, cash in hand, bank account, and the credit sales, credit purchase, rent received, salary, everything you can see, right? Now we are going to check our balance sheet. So balance sheet is a manual 457,000, here also 450,000, 457,000. Now we are going to check it the Tally Prime. So I'm going to press the escape key button into the keyboard and come to the report and balance sheet. Click the balance sheet. You can see 457,000, here also 457,000, and we can check in our Excel sheet 457,000, 457,000. So our sum is correct. And if you want to get the more details, Alt plus F1, the details will be up here, right? So everything is perfect, right? Next I'm going to be check our income statement. The income statement, you can see the net profit 52,500. So how can we get this income statement? Press the escape key button. You can click the profit and loss account. If you press the profit and loss account, you can see, and I'm going to be press the Alt plus F1 to get more details, and you can see 56,000, 56,000. The net profit is 52,500, and you can see here also 52,500. So our sum is perfect. If you want to get in other way, you can click here, go to, you can check everything, right? So you can see balance sheet, profit and loss account, cash book. So if you want to know that trial balance, you can see trial balance. You can click the trial balance. And if you want to know the, what is that, profit and loss account, you can press like this. So go to, it's a very great features in Tally Prime to check our reports and everything, right?